perform to array of equals or. So here is given an integer array and we want to select the indices I, j and k, whereas all the indices is less than array dot length, and you have to define the a and b, and a and b follows these rules, okay. And this is the bitwise or, and you have to return I, j, k after finding I, j, k triplets where a equals to b. You have to return the count of a triplets, okay. So in this array the triplets is at indices 0, 1 and 2, the triplets is equal to 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 4. You just have to return the count, okay. So in this array there is 4 triplet that in which a equals to b. So you have to only return the count. So let's do this. Int n equals to array dot size, which will store the size of an array. And then I have to find vector int prefix n plus 1 comma 0, which will starting this is a vector of n plus 1 size and all the element is 0. And then for int I equals to 0, I less than and then I plus plus, okay. And then you just have to do prefix of I plus 1 is equals to prefix of I XOR array of I, okay. And then you have to do int count equals to 0 for int I equals to 0 and I less than and then I plus I for int k equals to 0 and k less than, sorry, k will start from ith plus 1 element, and then k is less than n plus k, okay. And then you just have to do prefix of I is equals to prefix of k plus 1, then you just have to do count plus equals to k minus I, okay. And after this you just have to return count statement. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.